সংলাপ টিভি আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and those who are watching me right now. Welcome to the English class, specially for the students of class 5, brought to you by Upajala Education Office, Sodor, Noakhali. My dear students, we know that we are suffering from coronavirus. But still, I hope all of you are fine and safe with your family. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. So, my dear students, our school is closed. We can't go to our school and we can't play our friends. Okay, so I have to come here to take an online class. So today I'm going to work on Unit 9, Lesson 1 to Activity A. Before going to our class, I would like to introduce myself with you. This is Asma Khanum, Assistant Teacher, Kalachatpur Government Primary School, Sodor, Noakhali. So my dear students, we are passing a critical time because the outbreak of coronavirus. We have to aware of coronavirus. So we have to need some advice. I will give you some advice. When you go out, you wear a mask. Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth, and wash your hands again and again. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting our lesson, I welcome to the English class. I have already said I am going to work on lesson Unit 9, Lesson 1 and 2. Okay, before going to our lesson, I would like to show a video. So let's watch a video.
One little fireman jumping on the roof. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those firemen right to bed.
Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. What have you seen in the video? Okay, excellent. there are 5 men and there was a fire in the building. They went there and put out the fire. Do you know who are they? Okay, they are called firefighters. It is one kind of occupations. Okay, let's have a look on the screen. Okay, my dear students, let's have a look on the screen. What do you see in the picture? Here are some picture, some people. Okay, first of all, she is a lady and she is singing a song. Can you say who is she? Excellent, she is a singer. And next one, can you say who is he? Very good, you know him very well. He is a farmer. Okay, next one, who is he? He is driving a car. So he is a driver. Excellent. So can you see these people around us? তোমরা কি এই মানুষজন আমাদের আশেপাশে দেখতে পাও? There are different people in different occupation. So our today's lesson is occupations. Say with me, occupations. Occupations. Thank you, everyone. Before going to our text, I would like to introduce some new words that you can read and understand the text easily. আমরা টেক্সটে যাওয়ার আগে কিছু নতুন শব্দের সাথে পরিচিত হব যাতে আমরা আমাদের টেক্সটটা খুব সহজে পড়তে এবং বুঝতে পারি। ওকে, here is a picture. Everyone, let's have a look on the picture. Okay, here is a people. Here is a man. He is putting out fires and he is wearing a uniform. Okay, can you guess who is he? Excellent, he is a firefighter. He is a firefighter. Thank you. So he is a firefighter. Say with me, firefighter. Repeat after me, firefighter. A person who puts out fire. A person who puts out fire. একজন ব্যক্তি যিনি আগুন নেভায় তিনি হচ্ছেন ফায়ার ফাইটার, একজন দমকল কর্মী। ওকে, লেটস গো টু দ্য নেক্সট পিকচার। ওকে, মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, ক্যান ইউ মেক সেন্টেন্স উইথ দিস ওয়ার্ড firefighter? Okay, I have already make a sentence. It's Raju is a firefighter. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Okay, there are some students and they are very much afraid. Can you guess what the word about is? Okay, very good. The word is panic. The word is panic. Say with me, panic. Repeat after me, panic. Okay, the word panic means affected with fear. Okay, my dear students, can you make sentence with these words? Okay, thank you. I have already made a sentence with you. The sentence is, the students are panicked to see a fire in their school. Okay, write down it on your notebook. Okay, my dear students, let's go to the next picture. Okay, here is another picture. What do you see in the picture? There are 3 people in the picture. The 2 people are wearing a uniform and one is rickshaw driver. The man is giving him a food. Can you guess what is the word? Okay, very good. The word is volunteer. The word is volunteer. Repeat after me, volunteer. Say again, volunteer. Okay, the word volunteer means a person who does some acts without fee. একজন ব্যক্তি যিনি কোনো ফি ছাড়াই কোনো একটা কাজ করে তিনি হচ্ছে কি ভলান্টিয়ার। ওকে, স্বেচ্ছাসেবী। ওকে, ক্যান ইউ মেক সেন্টেন্স উইথ দিস ওয়ার্ড? ওকে, excellent. I have already made a sentence for you. The sentence is, the volunteer are giving food to the rickshaw driver. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Okay, what can you see in the picture? There is a school and there are some students and their teacher. The students, after break out the school, the students leave the school and the teacher help the students. So the word is, can you guess what is the word about? Okay, my dear students, the word is quietly. Say with me, quietly. Repeat after me, quietly. Okay, the word quietly means without making noise. Without making noise. Okay, my dear students, can you make sentence with this word? Okay, thank you. I have already made a sentence for you. The sentence is, the teachers help the students to leave the building quietly. Thank you. Write down it on your notebook. Okay. Okay, my dear students, let's have a check. What are the new words that we have learned today? চলো আমরা একটু চেক করে নিই আজকে আমরা কি কি নতুন ওয়ার্ড শিখলাম। The first one is firefighter. The first one is firefighter. And next, panicked. Okay, thank you. Next, volunteer. Say with me, volunteer. And last one is quietly. Okay, very good. Okay, my dear students, now I will read the text and you will only listen. Okay, and let's have a look on the screen. Look at the screen and listen to me. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teacher helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Okay, my dear students, now I will read the text aloud and you will repeat after me and put your fingers under the line. Okay. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teacher helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Okay, my dear students, and now it's your turn. Read the text attentively, and after after completed your reading, I will give you some task. So read the text attentively. Okay, my dear students, let's have a look on the screen. There is a two column A and column B. There are 5 words in column A and their meanings in column B. So you have to match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. বুঝতে পেরেছো? আমাদের কলাম A তে 5টা শব্দ আছে এবং কলাম B তে তাদের অর্থগুলো মিনিংগুলো দেয়া আছে। তোমাদের কি করতে হবে? কলাম A এর সাথে কলাম B ম্যাচ করতে হবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো? আর জাস্ট A প্লাস এখানে 1 লিখলেই হবে। ওকে মানে স্টুডেন্টস, সো ইউ টার্ন স্টার্ট নাও, কমপ্লিট উইথ ইন 2 minutes. ওকে ওকে, I hope you have complete your work. So match the answer. The answer is panicked, affected with fear. Next, firefighter, a person who puts out fire. Next, quietly, without making noise. Next, volunteer, a person who does some acts without fee. Visit, go or come to see anything. Thank you very much. Okay, my dear students, there is, let's have a look on the screen. There is a question for you. Okay, my dear students, now you have to answer the answer of this question. What is the question? What happened when Raju was in class 5? Okay, thank you, my dear students. The answer is when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. You do it very well, I know. Okay, next question is, what does Raju do? Can you say? Okay, thank you, my dear students. Yes, it's Raju is a firefighter. Okay, here is another question. What is the main duty of a firefighter? Can you say? Okay, excellent. You have done it very well. Okay, the answer is the main duty of a firefighter is putting out fires. Thank you, everyone. Now it's time to one day, one word. Okay, I have already I have written a word for you. The word is join. Say with me, join. Repeat after me, join. Their meaning is to become a member of employee of an organization. Okay, so let's go to the Bengali meaning. It's jog dewa. Join mean jogdan kora, jog dewa. Okay, I have already made a sentence for you. The sentence is Raju joined a volunteer fire department after college. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Now it's time to homework. Okay, look at the screen. Write the names of 5 occupations and their activities that you know. Have you understand? ওকে, তোমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে? 5টা অকুপেশনের নাম লিখতে হবে এবং তাদের কাজ লিখতে হবে একটি করে। বুঝতে পেরেছো? Beginning of the lesson I have shown you some picture. Can you remember that? Okay, so you have to write 5 occupations and with their activities in one sentence. Okay, my dear students and those who are watching, staying with me, everyone, thank you, and that's for all. Okay, my dear students, see you in the next class. And before ending our lesson, I will give you some advice because we are passing a very critical time, but we have to aware of coronavirus, and we will do something. So you have follow the rules and stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.
সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।